These door caster dollies from QAR CMQ are awesome. They're really easy to use. It allows you to install and uninstall doors and move doors around easily with just one person and without breaking your back. Show you how to use these. You can adjust the height of the caster by screwing the screw in and out. Then this screw here will adjust to make sure it fits tightly and holds the door tightly, and you have silicone sides in here to prevent marring your door. I'll show you how this works now with a door. Slide it underneath your door. You're going to tighten down the piece that locks the door into the dolly, and then screw the dolly wheels down until they do what they're supposed to do, which is contact the floor and allow you to move. That one needs to go down a little bit more. All right, now I'm ready to take the door off the frame. See, normally at this point I'd be worried about the door falling over on me because there's only one screw left in it. But with these, I can safely remove all the screws. And now I can move the door. So you can see the door is off the frame and I can roll it around. It has locking feet, so I can lock the casters in, but pressing that down, now that caster's locked, and I can unlock it and move the door wherever I need to. These things are pretty awesome. And then when I'm ready to put the door back on, I just line the hinges back up, and see, this is a little bit low. So all I have to do is raise up my casters a little bit to line up where everything needs to go. Like so. And now I can put the screws back in the door. Door's back installed, so now all I have to do is lower the casters a little bit and loosen up this piece that squeezes it to the door. Slide them out from under the door. And all done. These made that job nice and easy. I also look forward to using these in my workshop because I am a woodworker and I do move around plywood and slabs from time to time. This will help moving some of those slabs around because those things are heavy, and this is plenty wide to get over a lot of those slabs. This is going to be a real help to me. Nice blue powder coating on this particular one. I think it comes in black also, and they work really well.